Welcome, ambassadors. Let's kickstart your network promotion of corporate projects on IncubateHub. First, locate and accept the email invite to become an ambassador. If you can't find it in your inbox, check the other folders, especially if you use Zoho's mail service. Once found, click on Accept and get started. If you're new to IncubateHub, fill in the required details as a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in as an existing user. Congratulations, you're now an ambassador. Find the program you want to share in your network and click on the banner image to open it. Then, click on the Invite Members button in the header. Here, enter the email IDs of the people you wish to invite, separated by commas. You can also provide the focus group and specialization details to streamline their sign-up process. Once done, click on Invite. Got too many emails to invite? Not an issue. For multiple invites, download the sample invite sheet, fill in their key details, and re-upload it. Click on Invite once it's done. Don't have their emails? Not a problem. Share your unique URL from the address bar, which contains a special code specific to your account. When they register through this link, they'll be tracked as your referrals. To track your invited participants, go to the main organization page and click Access Report. Here, you can monitor everyone who has joined through your invite, along with their program participation and application status. So, what are you waiting for? Join us today, ambassadors, and be the catalyst for progress in open innovation.